Excuse me.
Are
you okay?
Are you listening?
Yes, how can I help you?
You are the Lucy, Abi. Excuse me, what? Excuse me, what? You are the one that's been listening on my husband. Eh? You are the one that's been listening on my man.
Which man?
Are you mad? Are you mad? You don't know James is my man? You don't know James is my man? Asking you there. Asking you there. You don't know James is my man.
You're crazy.
I'm crazy. Paddy, let me warn you. If I ever, what's it, in your life, if I ever see anything that has to do with James, you call, you text, I'll kill you. You better warn your friend. You say what?
I am not
you say? Okay. You better, see, I will kill. Get out of this place. You don't fight me? You want to fight me?
No. No.
Where's my khaki? Where's my khaki? Rubbish. Don't tell me you're gonna... Rubbish. Look at them. I will kill you. You're coming close to me? Are you coming close? Are you coming close? Let me kill you. Stay away from my husband. Tell your friends to stay away from my husband. When I come back, I will kill the two of you. Thunder fire both of you. You're mad. You better move before I crush you. Rubbish. See your leg. You don't jump. Idiot.
What is, are you okay? After you let her beat me? You're such a coward. What kind of friend are you? After I paid for your hair and your nails, give me back my money.
He's not that
Give me
serious
my
now.
money.
Calm
Don't like
down.
such friends.
Calm
Give me
down.
my money. Give me my money.
That woman is
Give
crazy.
me my money. You're crazier than her. Give me my money.
Lucy, calm down now.
You couldn't do anything for me. And
You
you're saying
need to.
it's not me. I'm not part of it.
Am I part of it? You need to avoid that woman.
Jumai.
Fine, ma. Sorry, ma. Don't do fine. Are you okay?
I'm good. I need to send you to the market to buy some items for the next event we're planning. So remind me to send you some money, okay?
Okay, ma. Nothing Musa no go see for gate. Me to the market. I don't understand. As her house help or what? Hey, look. I'm very sure she went to fight one of her boyfriend's side chicks. And now she wants to.
What? So bring her in, dumb.
You're welcome.
Rita. Rita and suffer.
In flesh and in blood, babe.
No way! Hey! Look at you, babe. Oh my goodness. Sit down. My man is, I'm so. What? It's been a while. How long has it been?
Really long, my darling. How have you been?
Well, I've been good. I've been okay. So wait, how did you find out about me?
Facebook, of course. Your flyers, posters everywhere since you started doing this wedding and events planning.
Well, what can I say? I mean, now the hustle with that.
But remember back then, you used to plan our outings back then, uni. Whoever thought your hobby was going to be your full-time job?
What can I say? I've been doing this for as far back as I can remember.
Yo!
I mean, it finally paid off. But wait, also what I was saying is sweet. Don't tell me that you came all the way to say hello to just little old me.
Well. I'm getting married.
No way! You're getting married.
Whoever thought that ugly duckling back then in the uni could get a man of her own? Remember then people used to tease me for my ugly looks and You all thought I'd be the last to find a man, Nabi. Well, the good news is you're going to be planning my wedding.
Nice. Yeah, amazing.
We should have a reunion, you know. Me, you, Cassandra, Norma, Felicia come together as one friends again and have a small party. But the thing here is that Felicia is in France with her husband and her children, while Norma is away too. But Cassandra is in Abuja, so. But we have to wait for everybody to be around. Sure, you know.
Absolutely, you are very right.
Now that we are all married.
Yeah, we all are.
You haven't changed a bit,
Can we get to the consultation, please? That's what you came here for, right? I have catalogs, girl. I'm an event planner. There's nothing that I cannot do.
That's my girl. You haven't changed at all.
Yeah.
I need to come closer to you.
Planning.
You're really doing an amazing work, you
Thank
know.
you,
I'm
darling.
really
Do you
impressed.
mind? Really? She's getting married before me? Rita was the ugly duckling in school. I was the prettiest one. I still am the prettiest and hottest and crummiest one. Ugh! I was oh, did you get married before me? This is not enough. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hi, baby. Hey, come here. Come.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm just trying to help my man settle in.
So, in your mind now, you're the latest detective in town, snooping into people's phones, huh?
Baby, come off it.
How dare you put your hands on Lucy? Answer me!
Really? Really? The nerve of you to defend your sidekick in front of me? I thought we were past this.
You know what? We're done. Okay, this is over. All right, this whole thing is over. It was a huge mistake bringing this out. I can see that now. I want out. I'm done.
Wait. Stop. Are you serious? You're breaking up with me because of that girl? I gave you 7 years of my life. Are you serious?
7 years are over. All right, I'm done. I'm done with this. Lucy, it's my babe now. I love her, and if you know what's good for you, stay the hell away from her.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I'm not going anywhere. 7 years of my life a joke? A waste? You're joking. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. James, baby, I need to talk to you. Wait. Listen. We had an argument last night. It was my fault. I take full responsibility for it and I apologize. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I just wish you know how much I love you.
Nancy, it's too early for this, please. Right, it's just way too early for this, please.
James, we've been together for 7 years.
Can you just cut it out? Just please, just shut it. I beg you, please.
I'm sorry. But I don't like the fact that you said that our relationship was over. That's never going to happen, James. Over my dead body.
The relationship is toxic, all right? We're always arguing. Can't you see that? It's volatile.
So whose fault is it? You're the one who's constantly cheating, always disrespecting me, and now I'm to take the blame for it? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not going to start your day with an argument, so I've been thinking, how about we spice up our relationship? Maybe like take a trip or something.
Please, I'm just not in the mood for this, okay?
James, what do you want from me? I've given you everything, literally everything. My life, my body. I cook for you, I wash your clothes, I've aborted babies for you. What do you want from me?
It's either that you have a psychological problem or you're just deaf. What part of, I don't want to start my day like this, don't you understand? Must you always have your way? This is the problem, right? Have you even prayed today? Have you prayed? And this is how you want to start my day? And then you tell me that we want this relationship. Toxic as hell.
Breakfast.
I'm not hungry.
But babe, you haven't eaten anything. Oh, come on, you have to eat something. All right. What would you like to have for dinner?
I'll be home late.
Okay. Wait. I'm planning something very sexy for both of us. What do you say about that?
I'm not interested.
Gluteus. Oh my God. These are my sins away.
Come on, you're here to finish this car.
Good morning, madam. Oh my God. You are looking so beautified on this day of ventriloquium.
How long will it take you to finish cleaning the car?
No, don't worry. I'll finish very fast, okay? And, I'm in a position to, pass my test.
Come on, let me have my keys. I don't have time for this.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Go and open the gate.
Ma, I wanted to tell you that now I'm not called Kobe again. I've changed my name. You can call me Baby, a.k.a. Bombshell.
Come on, go and open the gate.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. I just wanted to say I've not taken a bite.
How is that my business? Come on, open the gate. Ah!
Yes, ma.
Come here. What happened to the salary I paid you last week?
Ma, I've sent it to my family. They need money. That's why I sent them. They will buy some.
Take. See, go inside. There's a flask on the table in the kitchen. Help yourself. Yes. And lock my door when you're done. Yes. And open the gate!
Sorry?
Come, open the gate.
Oh.
Hey girl. Sorry I didn't knock. Jumai told me you are busy. What's with the tone? Are you tired or pregnant? I wish. What do you wish for, being pregnant or being tired?
What do you think? At least if I was pregnant, James would do the needful and propose to me.
You've been pregnant twice, remember, and he made sure you flushed it.
I keep asking myself this question. Why me? I mean, I've done everything that I can think of that a wife material could ever do.
Maybe you're doing too much.
You can talk now. No, you can talk. You married at age 25.
And got divorced at 29. See, I'm not even bothered about this marriage thing anymore. Marrying the wrong person can ruin your life completely.
Let it ruin my life. No, let it ruin my life. Let me even taste that ruin for 1 second.
Nancy, I've always told you to stop being obsessed about this marriage thing. Perhaps when James realizes you're not interested, he will marry you.
See somebody else.
Who?
Her name is Lucy.
What about Emily and Chioma?
I really don't care about these ladies or women or whatever. I just wish she would just leave all of these skanks and focus on wifing me.
I've always known that it was a bad idea for you two to live together after 1 year of dating. You gave that man too much. You gave him everything.
Guess who showed up at the office?
Who?
Rita. My university mate I've always been telling you about. She's getting married.
And so?
What do you mean I'm so? All of my classmates think I'm married. They're even organizing a get-together. At least I should be able to get a ring before then.
Let's just stop talking about this marriage thing, okay? I came here to see you. You know what? Just come, let's go have lunch.
See, I beg, I'm not hungry, Jerry. Just leave it, I beg.
Let's go.
I'm not hungry.
Let's go. Nancy.
Oh, how I wish I was a reluctant prodigal. I know it's a crime. I know it's a crime that to cut Auntie's key to the house. But what can a savage man like me do? Eh? I don't have smother of emotion running through my veins. But I've told the VIP. And I must continue to the end. Oh, God. Bombshell! This is it. Now I can see all that self-control. Oh, God. I can now invite my baby, my senorita, secret to the private chamber. That day, oh my God, that day, we are going to physically and mentally limit each other with love. The mental. Oh God, Anastasia. Brasoteriat. What a bombshell.
Hold on. Is this not James?
Please, babe, don't do anything stupid.
What do you mean, please? What do you mean don't do anything stupid? Somebody that don't eat that for anyone. What do you mean don't do anything stupid? Eh? Leave me, man. Leave me, man. Leave me, man. What the hell is this? Whose husband you are? Let me show whose husband you are.
But you're my wife!
Are you mad? Who's your wife? We're going to get married. We'll never be ever.
No, I'm not!
Are you mad? Let me show up! Husband snatcher! You will meet me at home. You will meet me at home.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You will meet me at home. You will meet. You are coming for you. I'll come and catch you. Foolish woman. Ha.
Oh, what a bombshell. Baby, I'm going to take you to the pinnacle. Yeah, my love, this is a life. This is a life. Don't be surprised. Watch and learn. Baby, welcome to my enchanted abode of nepotism. Oh, yeah.
Hey, is this your house? Hey, this house is fine, no.
Hey. Be careful, be careful. From Melon.
Eh? Eh? And all this while, I've been thinking you're a common gate man. Eh? Ordinary gate man. Hey!
What's that? What's that? Did I tell you that I'm a gate man?
Eh? Kwapna.
Be careful, be careful, be careful. What's that? What's that? What's that? Did I tell you that I'm a gate man? Eh? I told you that I was raised in abroad. I'm abroad blood. Do you understand? Because of certain things, that's why my parents brought me, to Africa. Eh? You don't worry. As soon as I'm done with my language test, baby, everything's gonna change. And I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna ride with you. Baby, I'm gonna ride with you. So don't worry. My baby.
Hey.
Oh, good. You're so beautiful, baby. You make me weak. What a bombshell. You shy, right? So baby, tell me, what can I offer you?
Anything, no. But do you have Coke?
Coke? You take Coke? Oh God, Jesus. You take Coke? No, don't do that. Don't be taking Coke. Take other, expensive things like, race cream. Hold me tight. Have you drunk Hold Me Tight before?
Hold me tight.
You don't worry. I'll give you something different. Something large, sexy. Something toasty. Brewing in the kitchen. Okay? Do you know?
Toasting. What is toasting?
Oh, you don't know toasting too?
No.
You don't know toasting? Beautiful girl like you don't know toasting? Okay. Beauty with no brain. Don't worry, okay? After you take it, you will know how it tastes like, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming. Oh, baby, you're so beautiful. No, okay, I'm coming.
Hey.
What the fuck is it?
Hey. I don't hammer. Huh? Hey. Hey. Kwapna. This is Kwapna's house. Everybody must hear this today. Hey, everybody must hear this.
It's just so frustrating. It's so frustrating. Every time she does this to me, she'll go somewhere, she'll embarrass me in public, I will not be able to go to that place anymore. It's tiring.
But have you tried talking to her to find out what the problem really is?
I've done everything. I've yelled, I've cried, I've begged, I've pleaded, I've been gone to pastor, I've gone to her parents. I'm tired of it.
You guys have been together for so long. I think you guys should be able to work things out.
Work things out after 7 years? Gabby, 7 years? Come on now.
That's a long time.
Exactly. I'm a grown man. Why do I have to be dealing with this at this age?
So what are you going to do now?
Get yourself, get it. Hang on my hand before I get back.
I'm not going anywhere.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
James, I'm not going anywhere. Ah!
What do you want to do? I don't know. I guess I'll just beg him per usual, and I'll beg him to come back home. Nancy, you've been calling and sending him text message. He hasn't replied anyone. Well, that's normal. Don't worry, everything will die down soon. Will you take my advice? Now what? Look, you are very beautiful. You run a wedding and event planning business. So please, you're doing well for yourself. Let James be.
No! I don't like it too. I can't and I won't.
Why?
Because I'm over 30. What do you mean why? Where am I supposed to start from? Go and date somebody else and then wait for him to propose to me again. Where am I supposed to start from?
Is that it? That's
yes, that's it.
Oh.
Yes. My sister, who is 8 years younger than me, just got proposed to by her fiancé. How am I supposed to carry my shoulders and my head in front of my family members?
You're sounding so desperate.
Well, I am so desperate.
Okay. Okay, so what do you want to do? This is not right. No, Nancy, no.
Chill, relax, chill. Listen, James, I know he's having cold feet. That's why he's scared to propose. So I just have to grab the bull by the horn and do the needful.
Are you sure about this?
I've never been more sure. Trust me. You know what? Why don't you call him? Because he's not taking my own calls. He's still mad. So tell him you have something to tell him. And then I will propose. What do you mean, and?
Nancy.
I beg you, you started with your face again. If you're going to help me, call somebody.
I don't say money go win the decision.
Man, you don't mind go win the league.
I beg you don't be money go win the league decision. If he's calling me.
Pick it up.
Olive? Yeah, I'm good. I'm just heading home.
Now?
Vivi, I have things to do. No problem, I've heard. Bye. She wants to meet up.
Let's try and meet her up, man.
Beg, I'm not going. What kind of rubbish is that?
Try and meet her up. What's the worst that could happen?
James, thanks for coming. Please, sit.
Please make it snappy. I've got lots of things to do.
Okay. I don't know how to put it, but Nancy is sorry, and I hope you forgive her.
Is that the reason why you called me here?
No, that's not all. I'm trying to say,
Hi, really? Okay, let me just go straight to the point. I know I've not been the perfect woman for you, and I'm very certain that you're the perfect man for me. And I know you've been having cold feet doing what I'm about to do, so I decided to take the bold step. Baby, please marry me. I love you so much. I love you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Are you serious? I have not been home in 2 days and then you can got this plan to ask to marry me? Are you sick?
Wait!
Don't touch me!
James, please. James.
Nancy, please, stop this. See.
No, please, just... Okay. Please, James!
This is what I've been telling you all along.
I just wanted him to say yes.
I know, but...
Listen, I thought the crowd being there would prompt him to say yes because he won't want to embarrass me.
It doesn't work like that.
I don't know. All I know is I'm not going to back down. I must get my man back. I will not back down, no.
Jumai, where have you been? Are you using your madam's absence to leave the office unattended?
No, ma. I quickly went to get airtime to call Madam Nancy. A customer came, but she was so impatient to wait because I think she dealt with her for so long.
Okay, where is the customer now?
I left her at reception before going to get airtime.
Okay. Please, can you go get your madam a bottle of water?
Okay, ma.
Alright, thank you. Nancy, this is seriously affecting your business. You are losing customers this week.
I don't care. What's the essence of being successful without having a man? What?
It's okay. Just calm down. Don't worry, you'll find a good man, okay?
No, take me, James.
James, please. James, I'm begging. James, please don't do this to us.
What part of I don't want this don't you understand?
Okay, I know you said that 1,000,001 times, but please, okay, I'm begging, just give us one last chance. James, what do you want me to do?
I asked you to leave. You said you don't want to go, so I'm going to go, okay? Ever since you came into my life, it has been mental. You're bad luck, Nancy.
Okay, fine. Yes, I admit. Whatever you want to say to me, I'll take it. But please, just don't leave.
No. I can't share a house with you anymore. I'm done.
Okay, wait. I'll go.
You go.
Yeah, I mean, it's what you want, and I want to do what you want, so I'll go. But please just give me some time to be able to clear my stuff and get myself together.
Fine. Just looking at the guest room tonight.
What? You said that?
Well, anything to make him stay.
So you are not leaving?
I told him to give me a couple days, so...
You are leaving?
Hell no! Really? So you think I'm going to let all these small girls think they've won?
I'm confused. I thought you said you guys broke up.
Just because I said it doesn't mean I meant it.
Nancy, my advice to you is you need to stop seeing James because you will land yourself into a bigger problem.
Vivi, let me ask you a question. Where do you want me to find 7 years of my life back? No, answer me. Don't remove your face, so where do you want me to find it? Exactly. No answer. So please just leave me alone. Let me do what I have to do.
Take it easy.
You too, take it easy. Come in. Jemima, what is it? Jemima, listen, I don't have time for this. You say what you want to say or you either leave my office.
Okay. I think I know someone who can help you solve your problems.
My problems, huh?
I'm sorry. I don't want you to feel I'm overstepping my boundaries. But you're my boss. And I also see you as my big sister. I hate to say in this mood.
Listen, if you're here to talk about some pastor or some church, I've been there, done that.
It's not a church. It's more like a prayer house. I know about this man. He's very good in tying people together. There's a couple he tied and they've been together for the past 5 years. In fact, his father even tied a couple and they've been married for 70 years.
70? Wait. You mean...
Yes, for 70 years. In fact, he is called a couple binder.
I'm listening. How do I get in contact with this couple binder?
I can give you his address, but it's very expensive.
Do I look like I have money problems? Go write stuff somewhere for me.
How much did Jumai say this man charges?
500, but she was able to tell him to reduce it to me for 200.
200? Sometimes you talk like someone who has a loose screw. That amount is too much.
Okay, but if it's going to solve my problem, then so be it.
I don't support this. Where is that Jumai? I hope she's not trying to trick you.
Listen, I will not have you reprimanding that girl for trying to help me. What have you done since this whole thing started? Apart from, you have to leave James.
Nancy, I don't want you to stoop so low.
Please, I beg. See, don't come here and judge me because what is it? Other
Other people tied their husbands. Why is my own different?
See, I'm not supporting this. If this is the route you're about to take, then count me out.
I bet it's not for me, prim and proper.
You are beyond this, Nancy. So many men want you. Why James?
Because if you are not going to help me, let me be.
So much for friendship.
I think I'll just park here and ask questions. Because I am lost. Oh, I'm lost. And there we go. Hi. I'm gonna ask questions.
I was referred to you from Jumai.
You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable. You are in the right place. How may I help you?
I want my boyfriend to love me. I don't want him to see any other female except me.
Is that all?
No. Well, kind of. I mean, yeah. Basically, I want him to marry me, to love me, to do everything that I say. I want it to be just two of us, like just us two till the end of time.
Did you come with the money?
Yes, I did. 200,000.
There.
Okay. Please, you're my only hope. I just hope this really pulls through.
Your request has been granted.
Really? Oh, thank you. Okay.
Just a minute.
Right.
When you get home, open the substance, put a drop in his food and a little in his bathing water, and he will be forever yours.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Just a drop. I'll do just that. Thank you so much.
No mistakes.
Never. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. I'll take my leave now.
Hi. You're back. Welcome. Would you like to have dinner?
I'm not hungry.
James, listen, I know we're splitting up, but that doesn't mean we can't be cordial.
What is this, Nancy? What is this?
Please have dinner with me one last time. Please.
One last time?
Yeah, I'm moving out. I really don't want to stay where I can't at least be tolerated, and I don't want us to end this relationship fighting, so dinner.
Okay, good.
You have dinner with me?
One last time.
Yeah, sure. One last time. Oh, and I boiled some water for you to shower with. The heater is broken, so I had to use the cooker. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'll run your bath.
The food is really good.
Yeah, thank you.
So, where are you gonna be staying?
Oh, with Viv, she needs a roommate.
Oh, okay.
You know, I think I'll just go and pack my stuff. There's a lot to pack and I haven't really started, so.
This is unlike you, Nancy.
What?
I mean, like, you leaving without a fight, it's unlike you.
Haven't we fought enough, James? I mean, I don't want the last memory of me that you have be the one of us fighting, so.
Yeah, you're right. Look, just good luck with everything, okay? And I'm sorry that I couldn't love you the way you wanted to be loved.
No hard feelings. I'll go pack up. Let me know when you're done so I can pack up, okay?
You're so sweet. Just hold me, babe.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Hi.
You're home early.
Yeah, I resigned.
What?
Yes, come, listen.
Okay, you
Realize
resigned.
that, I need to focus on things that are more important, like spending time with you and taking care of you. Like, so I thought all day.
Okay, wait. You know you could do all of this, my love, without resigning, right?
No, it's impossible. Listen. So I was at work today, and all I could think about was, this is distracting me from loving you and taking care. I cooked.
You cooked?
Yes. I don't really know if you like it, but it was spaghetti, and I had to do it. So I was like, I just love her so much. And what am I doing here, wasting so much time at work when I can actually be here taking care of you? So, are you hungry? Just be hungry, because it's like this. Okay, you're gonna love it. Oh my God.
Really? A dream? Really?
Hello? James? Hello?
James. James. Oh, really? James. Baby, wake up. Come on, baby, wake up. James. Baby. James! James! No, 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 no. James! James! Oh my God, 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 oh my God. James! Oh God, oh, Jesus, what did I do? James! James! Oh God, oh my God, oh my God, no, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, no, Jesus, please, oh my God, please, James, please, oh God, please, oh no, please. James, please, don't answer me, please. James! James! Oh God, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, please. James!
Good morning, ma. Do you want to rent a room?
Eh?
Yes. Do you want to rent a room?
No, I'm not. I'm looking for. Is this not the prayer house?
No. This is not the prayer house. We normally rent this place for people to use for a different thing.
Mugbe.
Is that a problem?
No, sorry. We'll not have problem in Jesus' name. Sorry. You are sure this is not the prayer house?
No. This is not the prayer house.
This is it. This is life. Welcome to my house.
Kwakuna, my darling, I really missed you. Your house is so lovely.
Baby, everything's gonna be all right. I can't wait to program your homework.
Now, wow, this is your big grammar. You'll kill me with it someday.
My baby, enjoy yourself. Hey. Oh, after me, baby, after me. Ladies first. It's a bombshell. My baby, you know, this place is the most important part. The inner chamber, baby. So that will control your hunger. Babe.
Leave me alone. Who is that person in your room?
Oh, God. Thank God that he didn't notice our presidential presence.
Kwapuna, I said, who is that person in your room?
Baby, the thing is, he's my quarter-century brother. He just voyaged from Canada last night. Yeah.
And you don't have any other room in this your house. Why did he decide to sleep in your own room?
No, I don't even know. But baby, don't worry, okay? We shouldn't argue about this. Let's go. Don't worry.
I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere?
Yes, I'm not going anywhere. Is it by force?
Just wake up, please. God. Oh, God, what have I done? I'm sorry, please. Please just wake up and I'll go. I promise I will go. I just want you to wake up. God, I'm done. I'm so sorry, please.
You're a fool. You're a fool. Stop it. Stop it. You're a fool. What's this? Eh? How can you monumentally forget that Uncle James has not gone to work yet? Eh? What were you thinking? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. What? Oh, wait a minute. Does it mean that he didn't see us when we were going inside the bedroom? Or was he hibernating? Or he collapsed? No, I can't. I can't go inside now. Oh, God. I can't go inside. Madam Nancy too is also inside. Eh? Or should I run to her aid? No, come and think of something. Come and think of something, you fool. Eh? I've told you, behave yourself. Anytime you see ladies, then you're a manocom. A manocom will be just coming up. I don't like it. Eh? God. All right, calm down. Relax. Relax. Huh? Everything is crystal clear. You can't lose your job. Huh? You won't lose it. Huh? Uncle James didn't see you. Okay? Don't worry. There's a bouncer.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Babe. Hi. Hi. Are you alright?
Yes.
Sure. I've been dialing your number since you don't pick.
Oh, I'm sorry. I've been taking care of James. He's sick.
Where is he?
He's upstairs in the bedroom, but he has chicken pox.
Chicken pox. So now he remembers that he has a nurse in Nancy. Can't he go get his other girlfriends?
I beg. See, I'm not in the mood for this. Why are you here?
What do you mean by why am I here? I'm your friend. And the last time we had an argument, so I came for peace.
Okay.
My friend, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm. If you see, come and be going first. I'll call you. I really need to attend to this sickness thing. Come and be going. I'll call you.
Nancy. Vivi, come, don't worry. I will call you. Go. Don't worry. We're not fighting again. I don't know the chicken box. I don't want it to catch you. Go. I will call you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that was close.
Caught the light. Home comes. Sorry, ma, please, can I have a word with you?
Honestly, I don't have time for this, please. What is the problem?
Ma, I wanted to have Uncle James. Is he staying here today?
I don't understand. Why are you monitoring me? Are you a monitoring spirit? What is it?
Oh, ma, sorry. I send my condolences and my deep regrets.
What did you say?
I said
Don't ever use that word again. Don't you ever use that word. Nobody is dead. Nobody is dead. You hear me?
Ma, I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being nuisance. Hi, what a bombshell. For being... So, nobody is dead. Uncle James. Oh, God. Jesus. Uncle James. Uncle James. Oh, God. What's this? Uncle James, you are dead? Sorry? Are you calling me?
Sir, please come with me. Please come.
Hear me, wedges. By the power in the name of Jah, I command you to rise again.
Amen.
I command you to rise again.
Amen.
I command you to rise again.
Amen.
James, hear me and hear me clearly. By the power in the name of Jah, I command you to rise, James.
Amen.
Rise, James.
Amen.
Rise, James.
Amen.
In the name of Jah, I command you, James, stand up now.
Amen.
Stand up now.
Amen.
And shall rise again.
Amen.
The Bible said dry bones shall rise again. Rise now. From the crown of your head, rise again. James, rise.
Amen.
James, rise.
Amen.
Rise.
Amen. Father, sorry. Pastor, please. Prophet, what's the problem? He's not rising now. What is it? Please now. You say you will wake him up.
Water.
Sir?
Get me water.
Sir, wait, please, no, sir. Wait, excuse me, sir, please. What? You have to rise him up. What is it? Sir, Prophet, wait, now I need, see, just, I pay you 10,000 for this thing, no.
The man of God is weak and hungry.
Sir?
Yes. I just get food for I and James. I just received a revelation right now that once he perceives the aroma of a good food, he will rise.
Okay, let me go and make something. Any type of food.
Good food.
Good food. Okay, sir. Please, sir, just continue. So that before the food comes in, we'll break up small.
Prophet, please, Hafa. Prophet, what's up? Prophet! Jesus. Oh God. Every prophet is trying to challenge the same boat. And everything else for. Ah, God. Prophet! What?
Sorry it took this long. I just had to quickly do something.
Prophet. Father. Prophet, sir. Prophet. Prophet.
Anna.
Kwabena,
Ma.
where is the prophet?
Ah, ma, sorry. He absconded.
What?
Yeah.
Why didn't you stop him now?
Madam, please, I was not part of your
Oh,
confidential.
shut up. I'm going to look for him. I paid him 10,000 naira.
Sorry? I can't.
Why look for him? You can't die like this.
Why were you calling my phone? You sounded so urgent.
But I mean, thank God. Thank God you are here. I'm sorry I had to send you a perambulation to your auto mobile device as a perimetry performance.
Please, can you save me the grammar? What's going on?
It's Uncle James.
What about James?
You want to see what I saw? I saw something.
What did you see? Nancy told me that he had chicken pox, so you've not seen chicken pox before.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand. I've committed an offense. An offense, though.
What offense?
I have the key to the house, eh?
What?
But wait, please, calm down, okay? Let us look at the brighter side of the story, all right? Now is not the time for pericardium. Mm-hmm. Madam Nancy just sprinted out of the house a while ago, okay? So please, let us not scrimmage. Let's go inside and see what I saw. It's a bombshell. It's a bombshell.
I can't believe this. James is...
Madam, this is incognito. This is incognito.
What happened? How did it happen? Just talk to me. I need to know, please.
I'm really confused.
I said it too. Abela, come here. You're not going anywhere.
I said it. My madam is coming out of hospital. I don't want to lose it up.
Kwabena, Vivi, what are you guys doing here?
Nancy, I saw James. What happened?
How did you guys get in here?
Nancy, you've not answered my question. I saw James' body. Is he dead?
No! No, he'll rise again.
What?
Yes, I bought prayer warriors. They're very strong. They're here to pray. Just move.
I'm supporting you guys with prayers downstairs. Father James, Father James,
Partner, where are you going to? Wait. Don't tell me you want to leave me.
Hey, baby, shh, calm down, okay? I have a odyssey to attend, okay? It's a travel that I must do, okay?
Oh, travel? No wahala. We will both travel together.
Baby, You don't understand, okay? It's a shippy something that I have to attend. You know, you don't want to get yourself involved.
Shippy. No way. No way. Eh? Is it not now that I've landed a rich man like you? I'm not letting you go. Never. And you see this fine house? See this fine house? We will both live in it together. Ha. I would.
What are you doing? Are you trying to disgrace me?
No. I'm not letting you go anywhere. Ha.
Baby, stop that. Calm down.
Baby,
I know you are in love with me.
Nancy, what's going on? What do you mean what's going on? Can't see that they're praying. Nancy, James is dead. No, shut up. Why will you say a thing like that? What are you going to do? Are you going to leave him here? Please, just go and get medical reports or death certificate. Shut up. Why would you speak like that? See, nobody must hear about this thing. Until they resurrect him, nobody must hear about this thing. What of God now? I didn't think about that one. Hey, Vivi, we must not let him leave this compound. Nancy, I don't know what is going on here. Please. Just wait till everyone sort this out. No.
I will return with the private jet. Okay? That's how stars do.
You are not going anywhere. You are not.
Why are you doing that, eh? What kind of problem is this? Eh? Don't you want to be a star? Don't you want to live like a star? Ma! Stop it! Don't read me. What was that?
Who is that? Hey. Wait, who are you and what are you doing with my man?
Wait, who the hell are you? You know what? Just get out of my house this instant.
Eh? You dey crazy? You dey mad? You dey mad? This is my man's house. His father built it for him, so I'm not going anywhere.
Security?
Don't seek me, oh. Don't seek me. Was that not what you told me? You told me this house is your house. And is this house not the same house I have been visiting?
So this is what you do when I give you my house keys, eh?
Ma, please, sorry for the inconvenience. Please, do not insulate your words with this woman. I beg you.
Wait. So you're a common gate man?
Jesus.
Don't ever come close to me. Get out.
Sige! Ma, sorry for the inconvenience. Ma, you see...
Give me the gate keys now.
Ma, please, the thing is, Ma, please, you don't understand, but my father is sick. My father is besieged with a big sickness. The sickness, if I tell you, it's so big, you know.
Pack your bag.
Oh, sorry, Ma.
You know what?
Yes, Ma.
You can go. But not until James wakes up. So go inside.
Inside?
I will rush you now. Get inside!
Yes, Ma. Yes, Ma. Yes, Ma.
Warriors have been there for 1 hour. What's going on?
I don't know now. They said they want to resurrect him, so that's what they are doing.
Where is Kwabena?
I locked him in the guest room.
This is not worth it. You could have left this relationship with James a long time ago. You have peace of mind. What's going on?
I just wanted him to marry me. If you swear now, the only thing I want for him is to wake up.
James.
I beg you, Vivi, please don't say that word. I'm begging you, please. James is not dead. James is not dead.
Please be with you, sister. Thank you. Okay.
Please, is he awake?
Actually, the thing is that we need to get to the prayer house to recharge.
Auntie, please, I'm begging you, please. I gave you 20,000 naira. See, everything that you want to recharge, come and recharge it in this house. I'm begging you, please.
My sister, here is 5,000 naira. We have used 15,000 for transportation. My sister, please, are we assistant Jesus? Or is the man lying down there, dear Lazarus?
See, Auntie, please, let's talk, eh?
Please, come and open your gate.
No, don't let me open. Don't open the gate. Let me talk. Please, I'm begging. Auntie, please. No, come now. See, come and recharge here. There's plenty. I'm begging. Auntie, please now. Wait, Auntie, please. Auntie, wait. Auntie, wait. Please come and do this. Yeah, wait. Auntie, we have to take a decision, and we have to do that now. For being here. I mean, I know I stressed you out a lot, but thank you so much for still standing by me. It's okay. Even though you are the reason why James is in this condition, it was never intentional. Yeah. So, we're still doing this, right? Yes. Okay, we are going to carry his body to the boat, and then we'll drive to a lonely place. Huh? Then we'll call the police and report that he's missing. Let them find his body. What? Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't believe we're doing this. I'm sorry, That's the only way, Our challenges right now is, how are we going to carry his body to the car? Because he'll be pretty heavy now. Yeah, Kwabena can help us. He can help us. Do you want to get him involved? Fifi, I don't know what to do. I'm not thinking. I'm suffering so much emotions. I don't even know what to do. I just feel like it's the right thing to do. That's what I'm saying. Okay. We have to try. Okay. Can you maybe get a mat? A mat? Yes. Yeah, like this one? No. We get a mat, then we place his body on it and drag him out. Oh, okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. Matt, does this work? No. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Let me check Kwabena's room. Okay. I'm sure he has one of those local. Fast, before something gets here. Okay.
Sorry. I think we need this.
This life is good, though.
Very well. I think we should turn this into a business.
That's a good plan, though.
Of course.
Chineke. No, I can't believe we actually fooled my former boss into believing that you can actually tie she and her boyfriend together.
Trust me.
Stingy woman.
Trust me.
That woman,
All this while, my salary has been 20,000 naira.
Really?
Ordinary 30K, she cannot even pay that woman. But she can offer 200,000 naira for juju to charm her boyfriend, ordinary boyfriend. Useless woman. You haven't told me, oh. What did you even give to that woman? What did you give her?
Remember I told you some time ago that I used to rear animals with my father in the village? Remember? I gave her one medicine that used to put animals to sleep.
Chineke! Are you serious?
Yes, now. See, I told her to put a drop in his bathing water and a drop in his meal. In fact, one of my father's friends mistakenly drank it some time ago. And it was when we had taken him to the grave that he woke up.
Chineke!
I'm not joking. Useless woman.
Why would kill somebody? Hey. Oh, well, you'll be surprised.
It's your turn. I think I'll go stand up.
Huh? Ike. Who?
Let me just give the both of you privacy. So, okay.
Hi.
I went to your office to look for you a couple of times. You weren't there.
Yeah, I haven't gone to the office this week at all.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you feeling? Are you okay? Did you go to the doctor? Have you been checked out?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. They've completely flushed my system.
Yeah, right. Again, I apologize. I'm really sorry that I had to put you through all of that. I let my desperation get the best of me, and I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's really okay. Okay. I actually came here to ask you, no, to beg you to come back home. Life hasn't been the same since you left.
What?
I've been a fool, okay? I was an idiot. I know that I pushed you away several times. I pushed you over the limit to the wall. And that's why I want to make things right between us.
I'm sorry. Listen, I'm sorry. I didn't expect to hear that from you, but in as much as our relationship was the most important thing to me at the time, life has taught me a very crazy lesson. There's absolutely no gain in being desperate.
I know, okay? And I understand. Look, I've been thinking, no woman has ever done or gone the extra mile like you did. I mean, you even went to look for a love potion for
Which
me.
I regret, James.
I know. It's fine. I'm just saying, like...
James, listen, don't get this twisted. I did wrong.
I'm not here to judge you, okay? I'm just here to ask you to please come home with me.
When I thought you had died, I just wanted you to wake up. I wasn't thinking about getting back together with you. I didn't even intend to. I mean, the thought of murdering someone that I love just put me in a very dark spot that I'm still yet to get out of. I'm all about finding myself, learning about myself, and that I will do with or without a man.
Nancy, listen, we can work this out, okay? All that is what's under the bridge.
I apologize for everything that I put you through. I apologize for trying to force you to marry me, and I regret every of my actions, and once again, I'm sorry. But I don't think it's a good idea. And I think you should leave. Goodbye, James.